Well, this here is the 3rd of November, 2021, and I got that much daylight left, which isn't much. And this is our newly defunct Bradford White water heater that's been faithfully heating water for almost 20 years. But today it died, and I'm sorry to see it go for several reasons. Not the least of which, it's very expensive to replace the things. So I spend way more money this month than what I was planning on. But I've got to have hot water. Anyhow, I better get on with it. I don't have much daylight left. I got to take this one out and make sure the floor and everything is okay underneath it before I go spend an arm and a leg and get another one to put in there. Okay. Sayonara.